I made this video to explore how AI evolved from 1950 to the modern era like ChatGPT. Doesn't matter you are a student or corporate professional, this video will really help you. Let's discuss it in very details. Concept of artificial intelligence evolve in day by day and decade sub decades, so we have to discuss about it here, what was happening in the 90s time and after 2010 and the modern era of especially after 2020. So I'm talking about is what was happening in the 1950s. So one of the scientists, Mr. Alan Turing, introduced the Turing test and proposed the idea of machine intelligence, where the machine can think and have some intelligence to perform some actions. And later, when we enter in the 90s time, so people are doing more research on machine learning and a deep learning, but that was more in the research field. But after 2010, when the deep learning start booming and the statistical concept can also understand the image process, image network, and later is also came around 2014. So generative adversarial networks, so where we are able to generate the images as well. Then in a 2017, Google introduced one of the most revelatory concept, which is the transformer. And nowadays, we are just seeing that the Chat GPT and different AI concept, AI tools, so that build on the transformer architecture. So the transformer architecture is introduced in uh, the paper, which name is "Attention is All You Need." And based on that, so Google also introduced one of the model, which is a BERT. In a transformer, there is a two different partition are there. The first one is encoder and decoder. So the BERT is based on the encoder concept, which is the bidirectional encoding representation from the transformer. So that is the full form of a BERT. So when you enter in the modern era of after 2020, so the company name is OpenAI introduced the model, which is a GPT-3, which trained with a 175 billions parameter. And that is really a massive jump where the AI can generate the text. You can ask the question and based on their data and giving the answer that is more like a human, right? And around 2022, different models also came in the market, which is generating the images like DAL-E and Stable Diffusion, Midjourney. So this model is responsible to generating the images. And around 2022, ChatGPT launched and mainstream adoption. And in 2023, they launched GPT-4, Cloud, BART. So such kind of models also came in the market, which have a capabilities to work with the multi-models like the image and the text generation can work together. 2023 and 24, it's a agentic era where the model can perform the actions as well and model can take the decisions as well. Nowadays the model which we are using it like chat gpt, grok, or any kinds of models that have a capabilities to generate the images, videos, audio, and even the code generation as well. I just also want to discuss with you the interesting things here. uh, to making the 100 millions user, so Netflix took 18 years, whereas the chat gpt took only the 2 months. So don't focus on the instagram threads, because instagram threads become the within a 2 days has become the 100 millions because of the instagram platform itself. So instagram itself is taking a 2.5 year to make the 100 millions user, where the chat gpt is making only 2 month. So that is really a big jump. Chat gpt is not a social media platform to directly boom it. It's a kind of the platform where we can communicate and it's help for a daily life. We are in the world where the autonomous ai agent are the new future.